Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. You are watching Forutech. So I am really frustrated of Windows OS on laptops. I never satisfied with its performance and because of its complexity. But finally I got the perfect companion for my lappy and it's called Zorin OS. Zorin OS is Ubuntu-based Linux distro which is working from last 12 years to polish their OS against the Windows and Mac OS. And finally they released their incremental update Zorin OS. So if your main preference is performance and better easy user interface like Android x86 platforms with some easy gaming, then let's get into the installation and review of this great OS. So let's get started. So first of all, you need the minimum 16GB USB 3.0 pen drive connected to PC. Then download the Zorin OS ISO file. The link is given under the video description. Download it as per your PC specification. Now download and install the Ball and Itcher exe file. Run it as an administrator. In the app, first select the ISO file. Now select the target device. Here it is Sony USB storage for me. Now click flash. After flashing gets completed, just power off the PC, keep your pen drive connected and power on the PC again. While booting, press your boot manager keys on keyboard to boot in a BIOS boot options. Here my key is F9, generally it may be different for you like F12. Now select your USB storage device, here it is USB HDD Sony for me. Now you will see the number of options, just select the first option, try or install Zorin OS. If you are using NVIDIA graphics card, just select the third option. Now we will see the two options, try Zorin OS or install Zorin OS. If you just want to try OS, just select the first option. I will create a separate video for installation, so please follow now. Click first option. When device boots, you will see the Zorin OS 16 introduction tour of unique features that comes with this ROM, like the dedicated menu to open the apps like Windows, new Zen appearance to theme your PC like Android devices, all third-party account synchronization like Android, Zorin Connect to connect the smartphone to the PC and synchronize all your notifications, messages, etc. with PC and phone. Dedicated Market app to find all supported apps. LibreOffice pre-installed to edit all your documents, which is similar to the Windows Microsoft Office. So let's see what's new and the unique features that we got in this OS. So first one is dedicated launch button on the left side on the taskbar, where all the apps are organized in a different options like Office, Internet, Sound and Videos. So it's easier to find out all the apps. Dedicated user switch, logout button, lock screen, restart and power off buttons. Dedicated search tab to search anything on your PC easily and quickly. Now let's jump into the settings. Here you will find a similar well organized experience like Android devices. When you go in about device, you will see all the specifications of your PC like CPU version, graphics version, disk capacity, etc. I think this will be my first third-party OS where all the things are working for me. Wi-Fi working with the Wi-Fi hotspots. Bluetooth connections are working perfectly with my OnePlus 6. Settings has dedicated search button to search anything within the settings app. Zorin OS can synchronize the data between different accounts like Google, Microsoft Nextcloud, Flickr, etc. This OS has inbuilt screen sharing features. Best feature that I like in this OS is sound boosting for the speakers. We can increase the speaker sound above the 100% default volume level. Here you can see the difference of 100% and above 100% volume. I am really impressed with the sound boosting. OS has different notification sounds which are better than Windows OS. OS has dedicated mouse and touchpad settings to increase their responsivity and the acceleration. We can add bunch of the keyboard shortcuts as per our wish that Windows OS never offers. There are some color profiles are available which we can apply. It helps to increase the quality of the display. Under the accessibility setting, we get the bunch of the features. One of them is changing the mouse cursor size and another one is a magnification that follows with the mouse pointer. On the desktop, we will see the Android x86 like info panel on the right side of the taskbar, which has volume and brightness sliders, connected Wi-Fi networks, details of Zorin connected devices. Here it is OnePlus 6 in my case. Bluetooth devices and other settings shortcuts. Beside that, when we point on the clock, we will see the notifications and the calendar with the events and the weather condition. OS has dedicated theming settings called the Zorin Appearance. In this first is layout, where we can switch between the different layouts. One of them is similar to the Windows 11, where we get the shortcuts on the center of the taskbar. Even we can change the app layout similar to the Android tablets. In this we get the dedicated recent app switcher button on the taskbar. Also there is a search button in app drawer to search anything on your PC. Under the theme setting, we can add the lots of accent colors with the shaded dark theming. Under the interface, we get the jelly-like in and out animations. In a taskbar setting, we can change the taskbar position or its appearance, to which is not available in Windows OS. We are able to apply bunch of the fonts in the OS. OS comes with the lots of amazing wallpapers, which increases the beauty of your desktop. OS has dedicated app store where we can search the app, uninstall the pre-installed applications. Lots of app categories are available which can be explored. ROM has dedicated LibreOffice app to edit your documents of Excel, Word or PowerPoint files. This is powerful tool which can compete with the Microsoft Office. We can mount internal storage drives of your PC in this ROM easily instead of default partition storage, which is 261 GB for me. Another great feature is Zorin Connect. For that you need iOS or Android smartphone with the Zorin Connect application and both the devices connected to the same Wi-Fi network. In this we can see all the notifications from the phone to the PC and their telephony calls. ROM comes with the dedicated software update, so we can easily get the notifications for new updates and can download within the app and install them. OS didn't have lots of games, but we can download apps from the links given in the video description. We can also download and install the apps in a Linux terminal with the commands. Overall performance of this ROM is very snappy as compared to Windows. Apps are opening and running smoothly, which has no comparison with the Windows OS. So I am really satisfied with this OS and will test some gaming performance in upcoming videos. So please stay tuned, like and share this video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notification of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.